Changing software is always a challenge, and to facilitate the transition, we have created a specialized training team that can do on-site training and have also developed a tool for data conversion. Having a dedicated trainer to help you through the implementation process so you can learn at your own pace and focus on modules that are key to your specific business. We will speed up the learning process by also transferring your job code, customer data, list of vehicles with history, and the inventory. Ask us if your software is included in our list of more than 50 for which we offer database conversion. We know that you could be very busy during the day, which is the reason we offer to do the installation after business hours. Because we don't all learn at the same speed, GEM University offers you a collection of short training videos that cover the basics of the software. Life is made of projects, which are what defines and challenges us, and we would love to be part of your future project. The future does not belong to the one with the ideas, but to whomever puts them into practice.